Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off read receipts in your Instagram. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Instagram. Now go to your profile. Press on menu. Now scroll down. Here you can see messages and story replies. Click on this. In this page, you'll find here show read receipts. Click on this. If you want to disable this, you just have to turn off the button. That's it. So this is how to turn off read receipts in your Instagram. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.